y'all, it's Naya, and today I am going to be installing this curly wig on my head. And
stack that bitch up, mate.
I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And let's get into it. Y'all see I already like kind of put the wig on my head or whatever. I just don't want to have a long ass video today. Okay, so I did kind of already brush these curls out, y'all, because I was trying to see what I was working with. But this is what I have right here. Okay, I'm gonna put some stuff on this, and I'm gonna put it on this too. Okay. See, I want to size this wig out first. I want to try it on and see exactly like how I want it on, and I'm gonna mark it for where I want it on my head. Okay, you guys, so I'm doing a voiceover for this part because I was breathing hella heavy as I was talking right here. And I was like, ew, bitch, the fuck. So, yes, I'm doing a voiceover. But basically what I'm doing right here is I'm just marking down the areas because I don't want to put too much glue around those parts. And I also want to make sure I give myself a forehead because I don't have too much of a fucking forehead. So, you know, I wanted to make sure I had that and I didn't put too much glue. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the thing right here. And y'all, what I'm using for this, because I didn't want to put liquid on my scalp, I'm gonna actually use this James Charles. And I took this shade. I know it's orange, but I took this shade and I put it on. And it's actually pretty fine, so it's like whatever. And I'm gonna just throw on the wig. I'm gonna use a bigger one because I don't want to take too long. Ooh. Oh well. It fell, but it's all right. It's all right. I be thinking I'm a singer, y'all. Oh shit, I mixed the wrong one. I end up using a smaller brush because it's a little, it applies like on better. It applies, it goes on better, but it's more time consuming. I don't think I want to do this. Y'all gonna see me, oh shoot. Y'all gonna see me try to do a half up, half down. Let's see if I could achieve that and be successful at it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and glue this on our head. Let me be right back. I'm gonna go get like a wooden thingy. Now I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna ooh, put that right back down. I'm gonna see if I have another ponytail holder. Let me look at. Go ahead and put this wig on. Now we gonna scoop this shit forward. Match the fucking marks. Now I'm gonna take this. I don't even know what length this is, y'all. This is low-key. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Alright, this right here. And I'm gonna let this chill for probably about like 5 minutes on my scalp. Okay, and charge my phone because my phone low-key about to die. All right, so now I'm about to cut this wig. Everything is not a fucking, ooh, let me cut that part the fuck out. Y'all see? Woo, woo, woo. Everything is not a fucking... I seen this girl on YouTube last time. She was cutting hers like this. I don't know if that makes it like look more realistic or what. Let me try that though. Okay, y'all, so this is how everything is looking right now. I'm gonna wipe the excess off, and I guess I could do it now. Okay, I didn't really wipe it off. I just wiped off the dark marks, and that's okay. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part this now. I'm gonna start parting this for the middle part. And honestly, I'm gonna just take all the lace, because I don't care about the tracks. I'm gonna take all the lace and I'm gonna like pin it up. Let me get a ponytail holder and just pin this up right now. Cause I need to like, I wanna part these a certain way. I think I just, oh wait. All right, bet. Bet. Okay. And what I'm about to do with this is put it in a low ponytail because I don't want it getting in the way. Fuck. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Because I don't want that getting in the way, I'm going to put all this in the... And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna... Let me stop fucking singing. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start using this wax and like basically combing all this hair out. Not combing it out, but I'm going to use this wax and I'm going to get this hot comb. Alright, whatever. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and make my edges. Okay. I should have like tweezed that a little bit, but whatever. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair came out. I don't know if I'm gonna fix this. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it yet. I'll probably fix my edges. That's probably be the only thing I fix. But I'm honestly gonna fix that later because I don't have time right now. And even I ain't got time, I don't wanna have time. Okay? Because I gotta go. So, if y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Because, yes, I be fucking struggling with y'all. And I don't know how to do this wig shit yet. Like, I be throwing it on. But the whole plucking and shit, I don't know how to do. I can't even fake like I do. So, but yeah, this is the hair, y'all. It's actually really cute on. It's pretty nice. Whatever, the curls is real crinkly, but it's pretty. Giving natural. Okay, y'all, but yeah, like I said, if y'all go ahead and like this video, give me a like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll probably pop back in with my makeup done or something. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I know I'm in a different setting, but this is how I ended up doing my edges. Because I did not fucking like them at first. But if y'all enjoyed this video, once again, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe. What the fuck is that? Oh, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe. What fucking lady? And yes, I will be dropping more videos as y'all fucking see. Again, if y'all like what y'all see, go ahead and subscribe. And, you know, actually reach out to me. I would love to talk to one of my subscribers. I would love to talk to anybody that's watching my video, especially if you like what I'm doing. So go ahead and reach out to me. My Instagram is that chick Naya. I will put it right here down below. And my Snapchat is a 914. Whew, it's hot as fuck. And yeah, so this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and get with you guys next time, or get back with you guys till next time.